This video is provided strictly for informational purposes only and is not to be construed as any form of investment advice in any way. Imagine a blockchain that can effortlessly handle thousands of transactions per second without slowing down or breaking a sweat under pressure. That's Solana, a high-performance layer, one blockchain platform meticulously designed for massive scalability and unparalleled throughput. Launched on March 16, 2020 by Solana Labs, founded by Anatoly Yakovenko, a former Qualcomm engineer, Raj Gokul, and Greg Fitzgerald, Solana set out to revolutionize transaction speeds in the blockchain industry. But how does it achieve this unprecedented speed, so often compared favorably to traditional financial giants like Visa in terms of processing power? Solana's core innovation lies in its proof of history, or POH, consensus mechanism, which redefines how blockchains handle time. POH acts as a decentralized clock, using a verifiable delay function based on repeated SHA 256 hashing to timestamp transactions sequentially and verifiably. This allows validators to agree on the order of events without constant communication, significantly reducing latency and enabling high-speed consensus. This is augmented by Proof of Stake, or POS, through Tower BFT, a POS variant that ensures both lightning speed and ironclad security. Other key components include Gulfstream for mempool-less transaction forwarding directly to validators, and Turbine for efficient block propagation using erasure coding, inspired by BitTorrent. C-Level enables parallel smart contract execution, processing thousands simultaneously, while pipelining optimizes transaction processing through 8 parallel software stages for peak efficiency. Cloudbreak, a horizontally scaled accounts database, further enhances Solana's capacity by distributing data across multiple servers seamlessly. These innovations allow Solana to achieve a theoretical maximum throughput of 710,000 transactions per second, proven in lab tests during July 2021. On its mainnet beta, Solana peaked at 65,000 TPS in September 2021, with average sustained rates around 2,000 to 4,000 TPS, including a 1,503 TPS 24-hour average in March 2024. To put that in perspective, Ethereum typically handles just 15 to 30 TPS with 12-second blocks, and Bitcoin around 7 TPS. Solana's block times average a mere 400 milliseconds, making transactions nearly instantaneous and highly responsive for users. Transaction fees are incredibly low at approximately $0.00025 or $0.00005 SOL at $150 per SOL, compared to Ethereum's $1 to $10 plus during peak congestion. Solana processes over 100 million transactions daily at times, rivaling Visa's claimed 65,000 TPS capacity, but at a fraction of Visa's $0.01 to $0.10 per transaction cost. This high speed and low cost unlock real-world applications across sectors like DeFi, NFTs, gaming, and payments. In decentralized finance, platforms like Jupiter DX Aggregator with over $10 billion TVL and Radium AMM thrive on Solana's efficiency and low costs. For NFTs, marketplaces like Magic Eden have facilitated over 20 million trades, proving Solana's strength in high-volume digital collectibles. Gaming experiences like Star Atlas and Aurora benefit from Solana's low latency, enabling seamless real-time interactions and immersive play. Solana Pay offers seamless payment solutions, while Memecoins on Pump.Fun, which launched 5.7 million tokens in 2024, leverage its blazing speed. Boasting over 1,000 projects and $5 billion plus total value locked in DeFi as of April 2024, Solana's ecosystem is rapidly expanding. High speed reduces congestion, enabling consumer apps like real-time gaming and micropayments without delays. Low fees democratize blockchain access, making advanced technology affordable for beginners and everyday users alike. Its proof-of-stake mechanism makes Solana energy efficient, using about 0.002 kilowatt-hours per transaction versus Bitcoin's 700-plus kilowatt-hours. Early outages from events like the September 2021 DDoS and February 2023 spam of 25 million plus transactions per day were addressed by QUIC protocol, stake-weighted QoS, and Jito MEV. The future shines with Firedancer Jump Crypto targeting over 1 million TPS, plus ZK compression for cheaper state management. Solana's pursuit of speed and efficiency unlocks Visa on blockchain potential for sustainable global-scale transactions. This video is for informational purposes only and is not investment advice. Explore Solana responsibly and always do your own research.
If you want more crypto updates, market analysis, and breaking news, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.